Hi, Caleb from Brownells here, and in today's quick tip, I wanted to talk to you about cardboard. Not like, I don't want to talk to you about like ordering your Chinese food and like cardboard or whatever. I want to talk to you about holding parts with cardboard and why you would do this. So, I was doing a little painting not too long ago, and I was using this method here, and decided I would share it with you guys. So this isn't just for air curing, although you can put parts in here. It holds them nice and easy. You can hang them up, spray them with Alumahyde 2 or whatever other finish you're using, and spray them in here, hang it up, let it air cure if you're using the air cure finish. But one thing a lot of people don't realize is that you can also put this in a curing oven and bake it. So when using Alumahyde for speed curing, I use this exact method. But you can also use it with Cerakote, GunKote, whatever else. Reason being is because cardboard will actually ignite or catch fire a little bit over 400 degrees. That's where you got to be. But the baking temperature for these finishes is a lot lower than that. For example, speed curing with Alumahyde 2 is just under 200 degrees. Your Cerakotes are like 275 or something like that. I don't know exactly, but the point is it's pretty low, and your gun coats are about that as well. So you're well within the range of being able to put these parts in the oven just like this, hold them just like this. Makes everything a lot easier, super convenient. So you can put screws on there, pins, sight post, 1911 thumb safeties. It's really great for that. You can spray everything you need to spray, hit the other side if you want to. And just hang it up and you're good to go. So if you have any questions or comments, you're watching this on YouTube, feel free to post them down below and add anything else. If you have any other tips similar to this, let us know in the comments. And if you're watching this on the website, I'll link some Alumahyde down below. Make sure you go check that stuff out. It's the best paint you can get in a rattle can. Alright, again, if you have any questions, feel free. As always, you can reach us on the tech line. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.